Are you ready to do farm chores? Come on, baby boo-boo. You coming too? Come on. Tallulah, have you been eating pumpkins? Have you been eating pumpkins? There's pumpkins everywhere. You're eating the stems off? Have a good day. Make good choices. Friends, that video had 2 new bunny friends I have not introduced you all to. Did you see them? I'll introduce soon because I need help picking out names. Look at my cute chickens. And there's my Christmas chicken. Well, last year's Christmas chicken, you all know we got 2 new Christmas chickens this year. Good morning. One thing they may not tell you about farm life is the constant waters you're going to be filling up. Have a good day. Make good choices, friends. Good morning. Hi. Are you all hungry? Whoa. Have a good day. Make good choices. Okay, let's go feed the piggies. I just remembered I have a bunch of leftovers I need to bring them. But we'll stop and get them some veggies out of the garden. I don't want to have to go all the way back in. Turn this off too. Oh, look, roses bloomed. Look how beautiful. Ooh, what are you? Oh, a radish. The bunnies will like these. A little mini. Love it. I think we'll give that to the bunnies. You all radishes somehow planted themselves in my rocks. That's hilarious. There's a pepper. There's a pepper. I got some fresh veggies. You need to eat your vegetables first. There's some leaves on them. I'm sorry. Grace, why do you look so confused, honey? Hey, have a good day and make good choices, okay? All right, let's go feed the donkeys. Hi, Todd. Hi, bud. Oh, well, hello, you two. Hello. You girls have a good day and make good choices. Friends, have a good day. Make good choices.